Rose, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Oh, really? My favorite color is purple too.
Oh, really?
Yes, but I don't have purple clothing. I love the color purple, but I don't have purple clothes.
Oh, well, everything I wear is purple.
No kidding?
Yeah, really.
That's so cool. So, what's your favorite food?
Good question. My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza, but I don't like really big pizzas.
I love pizza. What is your favorite topping on pizza?
I like really spicy toppings, so salami or pepperoni, chilies, and sometimes bell peppers too.
Do you like thick pizza or thin pizza?
No, I don't like thick pizza because I can't eat too much. The thin pizzas, I get lots of toppings and I don't feel so full.
Yeah, I agree. How about seasons? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Winter? Are you sure?
Yeah, I love winter, don't you?
No, I hate winter. Why do you like winter?
I love the snow.
Okay, I like the snow a little bit, but I hate cold weather.
Yeah, I guess the cold is kind of annoying, but the snow is so much fun. I go skiing and I play snowball fights and I build snowmen.
Yeah, that sounds fun. What about sports? What's your favorite sport?
I'd say my favorite sport is tennis.
That's great. Do you play tennis?
Yeah, but I'm not very good.
Do you like singles or doubles?
At the moment, I'm having singles lessons. They're really fun.
Oh, now you're taking tennis lessons?
Yes, about twice a week.
Do you watch tennis on TV?
Yes, I watch it all the time.
Which movie do you like?
I don't have a favorite movie, but I really like comedies.
How are you today? Okay, now we have the script. Very well. So you see here, of course, the word color. This word, sometimes you see it by you, Color. This is British. The British like it with you, but the Americans, they always want to be different, and they omit or delete the letter U. So if I want to know something favorite for someone else, I will say, what's your favorite? And of course, I will say the thing. So what's your favorite? What's your favorite? Okay. What's your favorite? Very well. She says, my favorite color is purple. She likes purple. Let's talk about something important here. We have, of course, a lot of words ends with the letter L or the sound L. So like this word, this is called dark L. Again, we call it in
Okay.
English dark L. What's that mean? It means that we pronounce it like L, like that.
Oh, purple.
Of course, it's not in Arabic, not just like in Arabic, we can't say birbil or something like that. We have L sound, but in English, we cannot even, touch our tongue to our velar ridge.
Okay.
This part, we cannot say purple, we say purple. Okay, purple, like that.
Purple.
Very well.
Okay. Purple.
So
Okay.
she said, my favorite color is purple too. Okay. She said, oh, really? Very well. So this word, of course, back to school in Egypt, we always take it like closes, right?
Yes.
But in
Nice.
reality, the word close the door, it's very
Okay.
similar. So we
Mm,
cannot, we don't pronounce this part. It's
okay.
close. Very well. So she said, oh, well, everything I wear is purple. So do you think she likes purple color for clothing or not? And of course, he said here, no, kidding. Of course, like he's surprised. He's really surprised. What? What do you say? So I can say no kidding or no kidding. So you're kidding or you're joking. That's the meaning. Okay.
Okay.
My favorite food is pizza. This word is also Italian word. It comes from
Yes.
Italy. It's not English, by the way. So we cannot say pizza. It's really like the Italian word pizza, pizza, like TS, like this, pizza. Okay.
Okay.
So she said again, my favorite food is pizza. I love pizza, but I don't like really big pizzas. She doesn't like big pizzas. I don't know why. So what is the topping? Do you know this word? It comes from this part, this word, top. So what do you put on top of
Top,
pizza?
topping.
We call it
Yes.
topping, okay? Okay? She
okay.
said, I like really spicy
Spicy
toppings.
topping.
Spicy
Yes.
toppings. What are spicy
Yeah.
toppings? Spicy toppings.
Okay.
She talks about salami, pepperoni, and pepperoni, chilies. Chilies, of course, it's a kind of pepper. You know, the green pepper. It's
Yes.
the hot green pizza means the big or fat. We can also say fat, but of course, fat is
Yes.
for people, you know, people or creature. But we're
Yes.
talking about something. It's not a human or something. So we say thick, as you said,
Thick.
of course. Thank you.
Okay.
So big one, big or fat or something. So thin, of course, is the opposite of thick. Excellent.
Okay.
She said, no, I don't like thick pizza. Because why? Why doesn't she like the big pizza or the thick pizza? Because here's the point. Because I can't eat too much. I can't eat too much. Okay? The thin pizzas, I get lots of toppings and I don't feel so full. You see the point? She doesn't feel full. What does feel full mean? You know, feel full, huh? Is the
Yes.
opposite of the word, the opposite of hungry. If I'm hungry, I have nothing in my stomach. So I feel hungry. But if I feel full, so I ate a lot of food, so now I'm full. Right?
Okay.
Which means that I don't feel hungry anymore. Full means very, very full means that I filled my stomach with food. She says, my favorite season is winter. My
Okay.
favorite season is winter. Of course, he said,
Winter? Winter?
yeah, I love winter. Don't you? Don't you? Of course, she's surprised that like everyone likes winter. Why don't you like winter? Really? Don't you like winter? Of course, hate is the opposite of like.
Okay.
Hate is the opposite of like. Very well. I love the snow. So why really does she like winter? Because she loves the snow. So here is a very good expression that we can use a lot. A little bit. A little bit, of course, also means something, you know, some little thing. A little bit. So not so much. Okay? A little bit. She says, yeah, I guess. I guess the cold is kind of annoying. So what does annoying mean?
Yes.
So I guess the cold is kind of annoying, but the snow is so much fun. I go skiing. Of course, skiing is, you know, when they wear something like skate and go to skiing, like they go slide on the snow. And I play snowball fights, and I build snowman. Yes, about twice a week. What does twice mean?